Ever seen a single $6 can rescue a $2,300 engine from total failure? I have, and it happens more often than most drivers realize. Frozen ignition components, seized bolts that snap during repairs, and hidden corrosion that quietly destroys your battery and wiring. These 19 game-changing WD-40 car hacks will save you thousands in repairs that mechanics would love to charge you for. I'm breaking down every single one step by step, completely free. If you want to keep your car running stronger, longer, and cheaper, stick with me. Let's dive in. Hack number 19, the rust insurance spray. Rust doesn't announce itself, it sneaks in and turns a simple job into a nightmare. One seized bolt can snap off, strip threads, and transform a $150 brake job into a $600 plus headache with extra parts and labor. Every exposed metal surface on your vehicle, from tools and rims to suspension hardware, is vulnerable the moment moisture and oxygen team up. That's exactly where WD-40 shines as your first line of defense. A light mist creates an invisible barrier that displaces water and starves rust before it can take hold. Spray it on your tools, tire irons, spare tire rims, and any exposed bolts underneath. Wipe off the excess so it leaves just a thin protective film. Clean, removable fasteners mean no broken hardware, no drilling out snapped studs, and no surprise repair bills. One can easily prevent hundreds, sometimes thousands, in avoidable expenses over the life of your car. If rust can do that much damage under the car, wait until you see what it does to the parts you touch every day. Hack number 18, the snap screw trap. Those innocent-looking rusty license plate screws seem harmless until one twists off and you're left drilling into your bumper or trunk lid. Suddenly, a $5 fix becomes a $100 body shop visit. WD-40 stops that disaster before it starts. Spray directly on the screw heads, threads, and surrounding rusty metal. Let it penetrate for about 10 minutes. It works its way in and breaks the corrosion bond. Then use a screwdriver. If it resists, gently tighten a quarter turn first, then loosen. That back and forth motion preserves the threads. Scrub away loose surface rust with a wire brush, wipe clean, and the protective film left behind slows future corrosion. Worst case, you replace a cheap screw instead of repairing damaged bodywork. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. We catch small problems before they empty your wallet. I'll wait. Done. Awesome. Let's keep rolling. Hack number 17, the wiper grind problem. Squeaky, streaky wipers aren't just annoying, they're quietly scratching your windshield and cutting visibility. Often the blades aren't truly worn out, they're just caked in road grime and dried out. Done right, WD-40 cleans, reconditions the rubber, and dramatically extends blade life while protecting your glass. Lift the wiper arm and secure it. Spray a small amount onto a clean microfiber cloth, never directly on the blade, and wipe the rubber edge thoroughly from end to end. You'll see black gunk lift off. Flip the cloth and repeat, then finish with a dry wipe. Clean your windshield with glass cleaner afterward. The result? Quieter operation, smoother sweeps, and far less risk of permanent glass damage. This quick refresh can buy you months before buying new blades and helps avoid expensive windshield replacement. Hack number 16, the sticker rage mistake. I've seen flawless paint ruined by a stubborn $10 sticker. You peel, the adhesive stays behind, dirt sticks to it, frustration builds, and suddenly you're reaching for razors or harsh chemicals that etch the clear coat. WD-40 is the smart way out. Shake the can well, spray directly on the sticker and residue, and let it soak 5–10 minutes. The adhesive softens and releases. Wipe away with a clean cloth. For tougher spots, use a plastic scraper or a razor only on glass while the lubricant protects the surface. Finish by washing the area with soap and water to remove any film. Your paint stays pristine, you avoid swirl marks or touch-up paint jobs, and one frustrating moment doesn't turn into a costly cosmetic repair. Hack number 15, the cloudy headlight fix. Cloudy, yellowed headlights don't just look bad, they fail inspections and reduce nighttime visibility, often leading to $300,000 replacement quotes. In most cases, the lenses aren't destroyed, they're oxidized with micro scratches scattering light. WD-40 gives you a fast, effective temporary restoration by filling those tiny scratches and smoothing the surface so light passes cleanly again. Clean the lens first, apply WD-40 to a microfiber cloth, wipe evenly, let it dwell briefly, then buff clear. You'll notice brighter, whiter light immediately. It's not permanent, but it buys you time, helps you pass inspection, and keeps you safer on the road without rushing into expensive new parts. Hack number 14, the chrome decay warning. Dull, tarnished chrome isn't just ugly, it's the early stage of pitting and rust that leads to hundreds in replacement trim or exhaust tips. Spray WD-40 straight onto the chrome to loosen oxidation and grime. Let it sit a minute or two, then wipe with a soft cloth. For light surface rust, give it 10 minutes and gently agitate with a non-abrasive pad. Follow with a light second coat and buff it in for a protective layer that repels water. Your chrome stays brighter longer, rust slows dramatically, and you avoid frequent polishing or premature replacements. Quick note, never spray WD-40 on your tires, it can reduce grip. Hack number 13, the squeaky hinge wear sign. That annoying squeak when you open a door or the hood isn't just noise, it's metal-on-metal wear that eventually leads to sagging doors, stiff latches, or expensive hinge repairs. A quick burst of WD-40 into the hinge pins or latch mechanism displaces dirt and moisture, cuts friction instantly. Work the door or hood a few times to distribute it, then wipe excess. The movement becomes smooth and quiet again. Remember, WD-40 excels at cleaning and short-term protection. Follow up later with white lithium grease or silicone for lasting lubrication. Quiet, smooth operation prevents bigger alignment and latch problems down the road. Hack number 12, the frozen lock panic. Nothing ruins your day faster than a frozen lock when you're already late and it's freezing outside. WD-40's water-displacing power is perfect for emergency rescue. Spray into the keyhole or around the frozen fuel door seal. It melts ice and pushes moisture out. Within seconds, the mechanism usually frees up without force. This can save you a locksmith call or damaged hardware. It's a temporary solution though. Once thawed, use graphite or silicone lubricant for ongoing protection so dirt doesn't build up again. Hack number 11, the paint scuff tip. Road tar, tree sap, and baked-on bugs aren't just eyesores, they bond aggressively to paint and glass. Aggressive scrubbing or scraping is how small spots become $1,500 plus paint correction disasters. WD-40's penetrating oil formula softens and releases these contaminants safely. Spray the affected area, let it dwell a few minutes, then gently wipe with a microfiber cloth. Wash the spot with soap and water afterward. You preserve the clear coat, eliminate swirl marks, and keep your paint looking factory fresh without expensive detailing. Hack number 10, the hidden vacuum leak test. Vacuum leaks make your car feel sluggish, idle rough, and kill fuel economy, and shops often chase expensive sensors first. Here's a dead simple test. With the engine running, lightly spray WD-40 around vacuum hoses, intake boots, and gaskets. If the idle suddenly smooths out or RPMs change, you've found the leak. No scan tools or diagnostic fees required. Replace the cheap hose or gasket and you solve the problem before it stresses the engine or inflates your repair bill. Hack number 9, the slow window warning. Slow, dragging windows overwork the motor and regulator, turning a simple friction issue into $300 700 repairs. Lower the window fully, spray a small amount of WD-40 into the rubber channels and tracks, then cycle the window up and down several times. Wipe excess. The glass moves freely again, reducing strain on the entire mechanism and preventing premature failure. Hack number 8, the dirty throttle body fix. Carbon buildup and sticky residue on the throttle plate restrict airflow, causing hesitation and poor response. With the engine off and intake hose removed, spray WD-40 onto a cloth and carefully wipe the throttle plate, bore, and edges. Manually open the plate to reach hidden spots. Dark gunk wipes away easily. Reassemble and let the engine idle. You'll feel sharper throttle response and smoother running without unnecessary sensor replacements. Hack number 7, the undercarriage rust problem. Road salt and moisture turn your undercarriage into a rust factory, locking up bolts and turning routine maintenance into major repairs. Lightly coat exposed suspension components, frame rails, brackets, and fasteners with WD-40 after washing or before winter. It displaces water and leaves a protective barrier. Wipe excess so dirt doesn't stick. This habit keeps hardware serviceable and prevents $500 rust-related headaches. Hack number 6, the wet ignition no start. Heavy rain or a car wash can flood ignition components and cause misfires or no starts, leading to unnecessary coil or plug replacements. Pop the hood and spray WD-40 directly on coils, plug boots, and wires. It displaces water and restores electrical integrity fast. Wait a minute and try starting. This emergency trick often clears the problem instantly and saves you from towing or misdiagnosis. Hack number 5, the battery corrosion problem. That crusty buildup on battery terminals silently causes hard starts and electrical gremlins, tricking owners into replacing good batteries. Disconnect terminals, negative first, spray WD-40 on posts and cables, scrub with a brush, wipe clean, and reconnect, positive first. A final light mist leaves protection. Clean connections restore reliable power and prevent premature $150 400 battery or charging system repairs. Hack number 4, the moisture-damaged connector. Random warning lights that appear and disappear are often caused by moisture in connectors, creating corrosion and false signals. When accessible, spray a light mist of WD-40 into connectors, fuse contacts, and terminals to displace moisture and protect the pins. Wipe excess. Cleaner signals mean fewer mystery codes and unnecessary parts replacements. Hack number 3, the seized bolt showdown. A stuck bolt turns quick jobs into disasters with snapped hardware and skyrocketing labor. Spray generously and let it soak 10+ minutes. The formula penetrates threads, breaks rust bonds, and displaces moisture. Use the tighten then loosen technique for extra stubborn ones. You remove the bolt cleanly instead of destroying parts and inflating the repair bill. Hack number 2, the spark plug thread killer. Seized spark plugs can destroy cylinder head threads, turning a $20 maintenance job into a $1,000+ nightmare. Spray WD-40 at the base of each plug and let it penetrate 10-15 minutes longer on older engines. The penetrating action loosens carbon and rust so plugs back out smoothly, protecting expensive aluminum threads. Hack number 1, the rain start rescue. Nothing spikes panic like a no start after heavy rain. Often it's just water in the ignition system. Spray WD-40 liberally on coils, wires, boots, and distributor cap if equipped. It displaces moisture and restores spark quickly. Give it a minute and crank the engine. This can get you driving again and avoid unnecessary towing or expensive misdiagnosis. You now have 19 powerful ways WD-40 can stop small issues before they drain your bank account. There's one more hidden HVAC problem that's costing drivers hundreds in dashboard and AC repairs. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to reset a blend door actuator, a simple fix anyone can do. Click through and watch it now so you're ready when that issue hits. Drop a comment with which hack you're trying first, smash like if this saved you money, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.